water can destroy. Those three simple words should be burned into every home inspector's mind. In this training, we're going to dive into one of the most critical skills you'll ever develop as a home inspector, and that's spotting moisture problems before they become big disasters. Here's what I would like you to remember, that water always wins. It's patient, persistent, and incredibly destructive. A small leak today becomes structural damage tomorrow, or mold growth, or rotted framing, or foundation problems, or ice dams. The list goes on and on. But here's the good news. Most moisture problems are completely preventable if you know what to look for. So, as home inspectors, we're moisture detectives. Our job isn't just to find problems, it's to understand why they happen and how to spot them early. Because when you know what a properly installed flashing looks like, spotting the defective one becomes second nature. When you understand how vapor barriers work or vapor retarders work, you'll catch installation mistakes that other inspectors may miss. So this training is going to teach you to think like water. Where does it want to go? And how does it get there? And most importantly, how do we stop it? Benjamin Franklin said, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And that was about fire prevention. Well, that wisdom back then applies perfectly to moisture control today. The best moisture problem is the one that never happens. And your clients are counting on you to spot these issues before they become expensive nightmares. Throughout InterNACHI's training, you'll learn the building science behind moisture management. We're not just memorizing a bunch of inspection checklists. We're understanding systems. You'll discover why duct leakage affects moisture control, or how climate zones changes your inspection approach, and why some homes seem to handle moisture problems better as they age. Remember, there's no single perfect solution to water problems. There's different climates, different construction methods, different practices, different challenges. What works in Arizona might fail in Florida. What's a standard procedure in Minnesota might be overkill in California. So this isn't about perfection. It's about protection. Homes need multiple lines of defense against moisture. And when one system starts to fail, others should pick up the slack. And our job as home inspectors is to recognize when those backup systems are missing or compromised. So one important note, just because a home lacks a specific moisture control feature, right? That doesn't automatically mean problems are going to exist. Context matters. Climate matters. Construction methods matter. We're inspectors, not fortune tellers. Our job is to identify conditions that could lead to moisture problems, and along the way, educate our clients about potential risks. Every home deserves to be safe, dry, and healthy, and your expertise in moisture intrusion inspection helps make that happen. So let's get started, and let's turn you into the moisture inspector your clients need.